Hello everyone, this is Jyoti and today we are going to study about how to find zeros of a quadratic polynomial. In my previous video, I have talked about what is zero of a polynomial. Now we are going to find how to find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Firstly, we should know what is quadratic polynomial. So a polynomial which has the highest power 2 of variable is called the quadratic polynomial. So x is the variable here and the highest power in this polynomial of x is 2. That's why this is a quadratic polynomial. To find the zero of this polynomial, firstly we will write this equal to 0. Now we will solve this. To solve this polynomial, what we will do, we will multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term. So the coefficient of x square is 2 and constant is 5, and if we multiply 2 to 5 it will be 10. Now we have to write down the middle term, that means the coefficient of x, that is -7. Let's write down it here. Now we have to find those two numbers whose addition is -7 and multiplication is 10. So after thinking for some time, we can easily find those two numbers. Those two numbers are -5 and -2. If you feel difficulty in finding the numbers, you can find these numbers by practicing these kind of questions. Once you practice a sufficient number of questions like this question, you will be comfortable with finding these kind of numbers. So these are the numbers -5 and -2 here, whose addition is -7 and multiplication is 10. Now we will write down the first term as it is, and we will split this middle term in these in form of these terms. That means we have to write down this -7x like this: -5x minus 7x plus 5. We can clearly see here, sorry, it is 2x. We can clearly see here that still it is 7x, but we have we split the term here 7x in two terms, that means 5 and 2. Okay, now we have to make pairs of two terms. Let's take common from these two terms. Here it is x. Remaining terms are 2x minus 5, and here -1 is common, and remaining terms are 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Now let's take common from these two terms. This is one term and this is second term. Now if we take common from these two terms, we will get 2x minus 5 as the common term, and the remaining terms are x minus 1 equals to 0. Now all of you know that the multiplication of two numbers is 0. The condition is either one number is 0 or the other number is 0. Okay, now if this number is 0, let's take 2x minus 5 equals to 0. If we solve this thing for x, it will be 2x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 by 2. So this is the first value of x. Now if this is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, and if we solve this for x, x will be equal to plus 1. So this is the another value. Okay, so we can call them zeros of this quadratic polynomial. This is plus 1. Okay, so what is the process? In short, we have to put the given polynomial equals to 0, and then we have to solve that polynomial for x. We will get two values of x, that is called the zeros for the quadratic polynomial. So this is it. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned with me and subscribe to my channel. In further videos, I am going to upload crash courses for 10 boards and 12 boards. So if you are interested, please stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.